Universal design. Replacement cartridge filter, compatible with SL 18115, SL 18115P, SL 18116, SL 18116P, SL 18191P, SL 18199P, SL 18117, SL 18701P10A, SL 18410P5A, SL 1841005B, PCX 18406-5B wet, dry shop vacuums, also interchangeable with other major brands' wet, dry vacuum equipment. Powerful filtration. Unique pleated design outperforms the traditional sleeves and bags of older models. Provide more surface area to improve airflow and reduce clogging, improve the air quality effectively. Washable reusable. The filter is made from washable material, which can clean dust repeated and greatly reduce the cost of the use. Please gently rinsing the filter with water and letting it air dry completely before reinstalling it for use. Simple installation. This shop vacuum filter can be installed in seconds. Just take off the older filter and push up the new one. What you get. Stanley 08-2501 Cartridge Filter X1. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for my Stanley shop vac. I have an older 5-gallon steel tank Stanley shop vac. I had trouble finding the right-sized filter. This one fit perfectly and appears to be of exactly the same construction as the original equipment.